Clearly see, there's a cop right there. Oh shit! Oh shit! I don't know if you guys can see or not. Is it still bleeding? So I was fighting a bear, you know.
Cap.
I was totally not capped, and while driving, and I caught myself right here while fighting the bear while driving. Yeah, so we pulled over at a gas station. The bear left. We're gonna go inside and look at this because I honestly think it's gonna scar. Here's my mask. Update, we're in the bathroom. I don't know if you can see it or not. That's cut pretty bad. You're recording it?
Yeah.
This is kind of funny. Oh, that's covered in ice. Indiana's having its first snowstorm of the year. Let me get this puppy started. That is my view currently. I'm gonna head home, but I'm gonna take the long way because I'm trying to drift at least a little bit. Oh, no, we're sideways. Oh, just a little bit. Alright, these are actually like, you gotta go slow. Like, my wheels are getting completely sideways. I'm barely doing it. You guys can see this. Oh, also, yeah, Tanner's gone. It's been a few while since this bad boy happened. It's definitely scarring. Ooh, this car's moving like 2 miles per hour. I was about to drift that turn. This car is moving about 2 miles per hour. So I'm like full throttle right now, barely moving. Oh no, I might accidentally end up taking a wrong turn into this parking lot. What a shame. So there's a little bit of drifting. I don't know actually how much I'm gonna get because like there's like actual like people trying to drive on these roads. Everyone's going way under the speed limit. You got me still going like 7 miles over. It's a 25 right now. I'm going 31. Watch this. I'm gonna do a pull from this light and watch. You won't see me. Yeah. Another closer. Yo, I love how everyone's so slow. I get the green light and I'm just like full throttle. Okay, slow down, slow down. Yeah, we were just. So as you guys can see, we had a snowstorm here. So I just shoveled all this. It's already covered back in snow. My car's been warming up for like 20 minutes. But me and Nick are about to go shovel driveways, and on the way, probably drift for a little bit. If I can drift, you guys know I'm gonna be drifting. So I'm gonna try and drift some in the snow on the way to Nick's, and then maybe do a few driveways, and then take Nick drifting with me because he's actually never done it before. Done it a few times, just this year in the snow, because my car does not have enough power at all to do it on dry concrete. Oh my gosh, we're doing it. I'm at the front of my car, the snowplow right now. Look, I have no traction. Bro, these roads cannot stop my Civic. The Civics, there's no cars. These guys are going slower than a Honda Civic goes. That's right, Honda Civic for life. Oh shit, I have a green light. Oh my gosh, I was going 2 miles per hour. Yo, I thought I was stuck there for a second. Thank God there was this truck behind me, so if I got stuck, I'd be fine. Bro, and I'm going faster than the truck. I'm going faster than the truck. I'm going 40, that truck's going like 30. That's right, Civic Nation, boys. Clearly see, there's a cop right there. Truck next to me. I'm the only non-trucker out here. And look at this, look at that cop. There goes 12. But oh, new truck. But yeah, who else is gonna be driving through this with a Civic? So we've been here for like 10 minutes. This light will not turn green. I don't think it realizes that I'm in this turning lane. So once it turns green, for the actual people to go, I think I'm just gonna have to run this light and hopefully not get hit by a semi. Oh no, I accidentally started going. with a red light. I'm not even joking, I started the other there for a second and yeah, I was f***ing moving. Oh shit. I'm moving just 2 miles an hour and we're back on the roads. And why I use decision would be to take this slow, steady. I like to go sideways when I drive. Are you in pajamas?
Bro, you should see my ass, bro. You see the emoji hat?
Bro, you fit it up. Yo, I don't know how this car with these wheels just made it like 15 miles to your house. Yeah, welcome to the whip.
We're dying.
We're so dying. That's a part of life. We don't even start moving.
I was about to say.
Stop sign.
Yeah, me. Oh shit! Yo!
Oh shit, no, we're not getting this speed.
Shit. Where's the road? Oh shit, I don't think we're on the road. We're not on the road. We're not on the road. Just get in the middle. Fucking cares. This is doing.
Oh shit.
That car is definitely. That car shit is cool. That car stopped. They probably think we're dying right now.
Yo, wait till the cop gets here.
What are we?
Welcome to the car.
Oh shit! Look at the car. Dude, they're looking at us. They're looking at us like we're in so shit. Oh shit.
They're probably like, what the f is happening? Honda Civic drifting around a roundabout. FYI, probably don't do this yourselves, guys. I don't think it's legal and safe to just like go sideways like that. Okay, let's see what we're doing here. So just drop Nick off after the tent getting big in the gym. I'm stuck. Like I tried to move, I didn't move. Oh, Nick's in shorts right now. Nick's gonna push while I try and get out. Okay, ready? Here, Nick, what? Let me reverse. Oh my gosh, this is quite good fun. Okay, I'm gonna try and just make it. See you, Nick. See ya. And we made it. Time to head home and hopefully make it home. If the next clip I'm not home, I either went somewhere or I got stuck. I'm just trying to plow through this. Like I'm not stopping. I told Nick that on the way in because there's a lot of snow. I was like, there's a stop sign. I was like, if we stop, we're not making it through. So there's no cars. There's no cars. I'm going so I don't get stuck. Oh my gosh, we were just on this road and it wasn't like that. Oh yeah, I don't know, literally, you can't even see like tire marks or anything. It's just pure white, like just snow everywhere, and it's still snowing, so it's getting worse. Like I can feel it reaching up to my bumper. That's why I'm like, maybe in for the night. Okay guys, so that will be the end of this video. I gotta be quiet because it's 11 at night right now, and everybody in my house is sleeping while I'm editing. If you guys enjoyed, please do subscribe because the next video will be the first carb meet cars and coffee. I don't know what it's gonna be called yet, but like the first meet that Fisher's Car Club is hosting. It's like a like cars and coffee type style car meet, and I'll be there tomorrow filming it all. So hopefully you guys will enjoy that. I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.